Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to set your frames on your HOLiAUMA machine. Um, it's set for the ones that come with the machine, but if you want to add your magnetic hoops and stuff, you need to know how to set it. Okay, and you can also find this on Donna's Embroidery Plus on YouTube. You can find it on my page, Donna's Embroidery Plus, Facebook. If you have any questions, let me know. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Subscribe if you want to see other videos. We do it on the HOLiAUMA. I do them on making stuffies, all kinds of different things. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your machine on. Now, we have this. You're going to see the screen. Got it on number 1. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put on number 4. You're going to hit your frame. You're going to center your frame. Now, if this is not centered, it's easy to tell the center because you have the 3 screws here. This middle screw is your center. This little hole at the front, that is your center. You can always put something in there and draw a line so you make sure you're exactly on center. Once you have your center, then you're going to look over here on your screen. Right here, it shows your X and your Y of where your center is. Write that number down. Make sure if it's got a minus in front of it, make sure you write that down. My center is 215 and then minus 33. Once you have your center, you're going to come over here to your hoop. You're going to measure the inside. Alright, we have this one. This has centimeters on it. These right here say 10 by 10. That's your inches. You're going to change that to centimeters. You want the inside. You don't want the whole frame. You got the whole frame. You've got edge to edge. You don't want that whole edge because you're going to hit your edge if you do that. From edge to edge is going to be 10. Okay, you're going to come inside. You're going to give you a little bit of space on that side. You're going to give you a little space on this side. So the most I want, okay, this is centimeters, so it's going to be 23.5. You can also look up, I would do 9.25 for the inside frame. You can look it up on your phone, convert it to millimeters. Or if you got the centimeter, you can take that. It's 23.4 thereabouts. See, I have it wrote down. It's, but I did it by 9.25. I did it on the phone. It's 234.8. Okay, well, with the centimeters, it's 23.5. Add a 0 behind it. That'll give you your millimeters. So instead of 23.5, it's 235.0. But if you use your phone, you're going to get an exact. It's 234.8. Once you have that, you're going to come back to your screen. Let's see if I can zoom in some. We're still on number 4. We have it centered. Like I say, if it's not centered, turn it off. I'm going to show you. We turn it off. Once it's off, move it around till you find your center. Line up. You're going to line it up. Should be lined up there. Let's see. Now you will notice with number 4, hit the frame. You want it to center it. Tell it yes. It's not going to move because you did it before you turned it off. So wherever you set it, that is your middle. Alright, once you got that in there, we're going to, right where it says garment, I is what I have it on. Alright, look at your X and Y. 215, negative 33. That's mine. That's not necessarily going to be yours. Alright, let me see where it says garment. The one right below it is your centering. Beside that is your frame select. You click on that one. Okay, this is the information that's going to come up. You have A put in, A, B, C, D, E, and F. G is where you're going to put your own. You also have your hat frame, that's automatic, and you have your big frame already in there. Garment is nothing. I is what I put in there. H is what I put in there, and G. So we're going to start with G. I'm just going to redo it. Now my 10 by 10 is actually, I'm doing 9.25 for the size I want it inside. So the frame length, which in this case they're both going to be the same. Frame length, I got 234.8. Hit your plus. Do your frame width. Your frame width is the same, 234.8. You come over here to this side. Type of frame. Circle, rectangle. Ours is a rectangle. Ours is a square. Square, rectangle, same thing. Okay, you're going to go to your center. That's the number you wrote down for your center. My X is 215. My Y is 33 negative. That's got it in there. Hit your check. It's going to move. Alright, now we're going to do this, because it don't matter what's in there. Well, we got to have something in there here. Let's put a design in there, which might be too big for the one I'm doing. Nope, it'll work. Okay. You're going to check it. Now, if you have a design that's closer to the 10 by 10 size or whatever size frame you're doing, then you can check better. But you will notice your design is going to start centered. I've got this, got the mark there. It's already centered. This is on my center. You're good to go there. You're going to outline it. I just do the whole thing, so, and you can do where you do the whole thing or just around the design. We're going to do the whole thing. I'm fixing to hit the arrow. Alright, and you can see it's centered with the middle, and this is how far it's going to go. Now, I can pick a different design. I would have to look through them. It'll take more time, so we're not going to do that. That's how you set up your frame. We're going to set up one more. So we're going to go to, let's go ahead and cancel that embroidery. We're going to go back over here. Alright, we're going to hit this one. We're going to add a frame. That one's G. Everything's in there. I'm going to go to H, my next one. The other one that I use a lot is the 12 by 15. So we're going to put in our length first, which is 285.6. Hit the check, then do your width. 361.8. Do your X. Your X and Y are going to remain the same. do my Y, 33 negative. That's set. Hit the check down here, because I have it on the frame tab. Okay, because it was already in there, it ain't going to move that time. Next thing we're going to show is how to use your bobbin winder. And hopefully I can get that done today also. The bobbin winder, it's good for if you want the front and back threads to match. Easter bunnies, I like to match my back thread with my front thread, because I match my thread with the bunny. So to do that, now you can order some, which is the L size bobbin that has some, but you're not necessarily going to match exact with what you have. That's when you want to do your own bobbins. So we're going to exit out of this one. Well, we're going to pick our garment. No. Let's go out there. Okay. We want that one. So when you pick it, sometimes it'll move. This is how we got it. 10 by 10. We're at 1170 on both sides. We're directly in the middle with the 215.33. Like I say, check yours to make sure. You got to have that in there so you can have your middle. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like the video. Go to my YouTube and like it. That does help for other people to be able to see the stuff. The more likes you get on it, then more it gets out there for people to see and be able to. Then there's more people that can watch it. Okay, your length is going to be from the back of the machine to the front. Your width is going to be side to side. Make sure you put them in correctly. If you don't, when you bring it up, it's going to show you with the picture that you got it in wrong. Go back and fix it. That's all you got to do. Now, when I put the measurements in there, I did it the wrong way. I put the width and then the length when your length goes first. So I went in and I changed it. You do the same exact thing where it says which one you're using. I have it in there correctly. You're going to do there. That shows you what you got. I changed these two. You don't change your X and Y. That stays the same. Just change your frame length and your frame width. Put it in the correct way. Hit the plus. And you're done. And it will change it for you up here. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, message me. Go to YouTube, put the question on there. I'll answer what I can. If you're looking for any other particular videos on how to run your HOLiAUMA, let me know. We'll see what we can do about getting them up there. Again, YouTube is Donna's Embroidery Plus. And on Facebook, I have a page, Donna's Embroidery Plus, and also Donna's Wooden Art. I try and check them each day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.